Hey everyone! Today, we're going to check out the Spigen Glas.tR EZ Fit, a tempered glass screen protector specifically designed to shield your iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you're looking to safeguard your precious smartphone from scratches and bumps, you're in the right place. In the box, you'll find two tempered glass screen protectors, an automatic installation tray, wipes, stickers, a cloth, and a squeegee. Find a clean and well-lit area. Turn off your iPhone and remove any protective case. Use the provided wet wipe to remove fingerprints and dust. Dry the screen with the cloth. For this video, the iPhone is brand new, so I'll skip these steps. Remove any dust particles with the stickers. Make sure there's no dust left on the screen. Remove the film and position the automatic alignment guide. Apply pressure and wait for 30 seconds. Remove the tab and the alignment guide. Remove the film. Now, remove any remaining bubbles with the squeegee. If you can, wait a few minutes before using your smartphone to allow the glass to adhere properly to the screen. And there you have it. Your iPhone 16 Pro Max is now protected. The tempered glass doesn't affect screen responsiveness or video quality. It's compatible with almost all cases on the market. Its easy installation, scratch resistance, and clarity make it a must-have accessory for all users. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tests.